Good day, viewers. Today I'm making a simple tutorial on how to make a post on the new Blogger interface. So you have your interface like this. Just at the right bottom corner of your screen, you have an edition icon. So to make your post, you click on the icon. It will take you to your interface where you make your post. This is the body of the post where you compose your article, anything. I'm having my own from a client on WhatsApp, so I copied it already. So all I need is just to paste and continue. So if you are composing, you compose anything. You see, I'm having my post here already. The next thing is to attach image to the post. So when attaching image to your post, always make sure you have your cursor, because anywhere you have your cursor, that's where you have your image. You have your cursor at the top of your post. You can put it anywhere of your life, but I use my own at the top. Drag this to where you have your image icon. When you click on it, on the image icon, you wait for it to bring a pop-up. So when it brings a pop-up for you, you see upload from computer. Wait for it to load your interface where you upload. So on the interface, you see upload. Then after that, you see choose file. So in that choose file, that's where you upload your image. So you choose your file. You see choose files. When you click on it, you have a pop-up again. So when you click on the choose file, you wait for the pop-up to come. You do take longer time sometimes. Click on the pop-up. So click on the document here. You can have download on your own depending on the type of mobile you are using. So you wait for it to load your gallery where you actually select the image you are using. So wait for this to load. So when you load this, you're having your gallery soon. So beside recent here, when you click on that one, these are your folders. Locate your pictures. So but my own, I'm having my picture here at the recent. I click on it. You can select multiple pictures based on what you are doing. So my own, I'm using just one picture. When you select the picture, you wait for it to load. So if you are using multiple pictures, you long press the first one and you wait and you click on the remaining. You select the remaining by clicking on each one after the other. So that's how you select your image. I'm coming. Okay, select my image already. I think I'm having issue with the recorder I'm using here. Keep on bringing the same thing, but it doesn't take a longer time, sha. So I'm having my image loading. If you select multiple images, you have all of them loading here. So just after they finish loading, you select on it and you click on select. You have your image on your post. So the next thing is give it an headline. Just give it anything you like as headline. So to enhance how your picture look like on Google Search Console, always give a caption to your picture. You tap on the picture, you have options. After tapping on the pictures, click on the alphabet option there. So delete the you see add caption, delete it and you paste your caption. So when you paste your caption, just do a little bit of editing if you like. I normally use italic in my case, and I use color. I give it a color. I use italic. You see italic icon there, and I used to give it a color. I use color red. So after doing that, then to better enhance it, you see a pencil icon here. Click on it. You see two options. You have HTML and compose. Click on HTML. That's where you have your HTML code of everything you've done. So locate where you have SRC as the first category. That's the first aspect of the first aspect is your image code. So place your cursor just before the SRC and put ALT is equal to double inverted comma. That is a code, an HTML code. So paste you can be your headline, paste it here, then close it with the double inverted comma and again. Make sure you have everything like this. So make sure you have it like this and go back to your HTML. Go back to compose to come back like sometimes you ask you whether you are switching. So to select a category where your post belongs, you see a settings icon beside at the extreme end here. Click on it. So that's where you select a category where you have your post. So I can give my own news. You can select multiple categories just to keep your readers busy. So I select multiple. Just after that, close it. So you'll be able to do any other things you feel like doing. Just close this one. You can do a lot of editing to your post here as you like. Then after that, you click on the publish. You see a send or a publish icon here with orange color and white. When you click on it, you see confirm. So just after confirming, you wait and you have your post published. You have it live on your blog. That is just a simple way of making posts on a blog. Thank you for watching.